श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम. दशक पहिला स्तवनाचा, समास दुसरा गणेश स्तवन.
Dashak 1 Prayers. Chapter 2 Hymns in Praise of Lord Ganesh. Shri Ram.
ओम नमोजी गणनायेका, सर्वसिद्धी फळदायेका, अज्ञान भ्रांती छेदका, बोधरूपा.
O leader of hosts of angels, I bow to you. You are the giver of fruits of all occult powers. You are the destroyer of ignorance and illusion. You are the understanding incarnate.
माझी हे अंतरी भरावे, सर्व काळ वास्तव्य करावे, मज वाक शून्यास वदवावे, कृपा कटाक्षे करुणी.
I pray to you to fill my heart with your spirit and remain in it forever and make me who is mute able to talk by your benign blissful look.
तुझी ये कृपेचे निबळे, विटुळती भ्रांतीची पडळे, आणि विश्वभक्षक काळे दास्यत्व कीजे.
By the power of your blessings, the veils of illusion are dissolved, and even the all-consuming time becomes subservient to us.
येता कृपेची निज उडी, विघ्ने कापती बापुडी, होऊन जाती देशधडी, नाम मात्रे.
As soon as your blessings are poured, the poor calamities tremble, and simply by our uttering your name they are vanished.
म्हणून नामे विघ्नहर, आम्हा अनाथांचे माहेर, आदि करुणी हरिहर, अमर वंदिती.
Therefore you are called the destroyer of calamities. You are the mother's home for us who are destitute. Gods led by Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva also bow to you.
वंदुनिया मंगळनिधी, कार्य करिता सर्व सिद्धी, आघात अडथळे उपाधी, बाधू सकेना.
When we first bow to you, the treasure of all auspicious things, all undertakings become successful, and no calamities, impediments, or encumbrances can ever thwart us.
जयाचे आठविता ध्यान, वाटे परम समाधान, नेत्री रिघोनिया मन, पांगुळे सर्वांगी.
When our mind looks into your eyes, by collecting together the powers of all our senses and meditates upon your presence, it becomes very peaceful.
सगुण रूपाची टेव, महालावण्य लाघव, नृत्य करिता सकळ देव, तटस्थ होती.
You are the treasure of the most beautiful form. Your beauty is extremely fascinating, and when you dance, all gods become still and spellbound.
सर्व काळ मदोन्मत्त, सदा आनंदे डुल्लत, हरुषे निर्भर उद्दित, सुप्रसन्न वदनु.
You're always in ecstasy and zooming in pure delight, and your countenance is extremely elated with joy surpassing all boundaries.
भव्य रूप वितंड, भीम मूर्ती महाप्रचंड, विस्तीर्ण मस्तकी उदंड, सिंधूर चर्चिला.
Your body is very huge and majestic. Your appearance is imposingly threatening, and there is lot of red lead pasted on your spacious forehead.
नाना सुगंध परिमळे, थबथबा गळती गंडस्थळे, तेथे आली षटपद कुळे, झुंकार शब्दे.
Your temples, like an elephant, drip with fragrant liquid discharge, which attracts bevy of black bees, which humming with joy surround it.
मुरडी व षंडानंद सरळे, शोभे अभिनव आवाळे, लंबित अधर तीक्ष्ण गळे, क्षणक्षणा मंदस्तवी.
Your trunk is almost straight and curved. The high forehead seems beautiful with a bump. The lower lip is hanging a bit towards the neck, and some drops of saliva drip gradually from it.
14 विद्यांचा गोसावी, रस्वलोचन ते हिलावी, लवलवित फडकावी, फडई फडई कर्ण थापा.
You are the master of 14 sciences. You move your tiny eyelids slowly, and the fan like ears make a noise when they are slapped against your body.
रत्नखचित मुकुटी झळाळ, नाना सुरंग फाकती कीळ, कुंडले तळपटी नीळ, वरी जडिले झमकती.
Your crown is dazzling with many lustrous jewels, and the earrings are dazzling with blue diamonds shining brightly.
दंत शुभ्र सद्धट, रत्नखचित ते हेमकट्ट, तया तळवटी पत्रे नीट, तळपती लघु लघु.
Your tusks are uncut, brilliant, white with a bejeweled golden ring around each, and the golden sheets at their base are constantly sparkling.
लवथवित मलपे दोंद, वेष्टित कट्ट नागबंद, शूद्र घंटिका मंद मंद, वाजती झणत्कारे.
Your belly is round and it moves slightly with any small movement of your body. A cobra adorns it as a round girder. Small bells attached to it jingle delicately.
चतुर्भुज लंबोदर, कासे कासिला पितांबर, फडके दोंदीचा फणीवर, दुरुकार टाकी.
You have 4 arms and a large belly. You are wearing a yellow apparel of silk around your loins, and the cobra on the belly is always hissing.
डोलवी मस्तक जिव्हालाळी, घालून बैसला वेटाळी, उभारोनी नाभिकमळी, टकमका पाहे.
It moves its hood slightly, protruding tongue oozing saliva and coiled around your belly, puts out its head at the navel and stares out.
नाना याती कुशम माळा, व्याळ पर्यंत रुळती गळा, रत्न जडित हृदय कमळा, वरी पदक शोभे.
Garlands of flowers of various kinds hang beautifully around your neck towards the cobra, and a locket adorns the garland at its central portion against your lotus-like heart.
शोभे फरश आणि कमळ, अंकुश तीक्ष्ण तेजाळ, येके करी मोदक गोळ, तयावरी अतिप्रीती.
In your hands, the axe and the lotus looks very good. In one hand, there is a gold which is sharp and shining, and the sweet modak, a delicacy which you like very much, is in your other hand.
नटनाट्य कळा कुसरी, नाना छंदे नृत्य करी, टाळ मृदांग भरोवरी, उपांग हुंकारे.
You are a great actor, knowing the dramatic art and other arts. You dance to the rhythms which are variegated, and the cymbals and percussion accompany it. There is verbal expression supporting the dance.
स्थिरता नाही एक क्षण, चपळ विषयी अग्रगण, साजिरी मूर्ती सुलक्षण, लावण्य खाणी.
You are never steady. You are the topmost, quickest dancer, and your beautiful body, with all the auspicious signs on it, is verily a mine of lovely beauty.
ऋणझुना वाजती नेपुरे, वाकी बोभाटिती गजरे, घागरिया सहित मनोहरे, पाऊले दोनी.
The ornaments around your ankles and around your small toes make tiny sounds, and the little bells on the ornaments on your arms jingle with the steps when you dance. Your feet look so charming.
ईश्वर सभेशी आली शोभा, दिव्यांबराची फाकली प्रभा, साहित्य विषयी सुलभा, अष्टनायका होती.
You bring glory to the conference of gods. The dazzling light of your glorious dress is spread, There is a facility of expression for your 8 types of heroines, the Ashtanayikas, described in the literature only because of you.
ऐसा सर्वांगे सुंदरू सकळ विद्यांचा आगरू त्यासी माझा नमस्कारू साष्टांग भावे.
You are beautiful in all respects. You are the reservoir of all arts and sciences. My prostrations are offered to you with all the reverence.
ध्यान गणेशाचे वर्णिता मतिप्रकाश होये भ्रांता गुणानुवाद श्रवण करिता वोळे सरस्वती.
By describing the beauty of Lord Ganesh, a person who might be confused becomes clear in his understanding. And by listening to his virtues and qualities, Saraswati, the goddess of intelligence, is pleased.
जयासी ब्रह्मादिक वंदिती तेथे मानव बापुडे किती असो प्राणी मंदमती तेही गणेश चिंतावा.
When Brahma, the creator, and other gods bow to Lord Ganesh, where is the question of humble human beings? Those who are rather slow in understanding should meditate on Lord Ganesh.
जे मूर्ख अवलक्षण जे का हीना हुनी हीन तेची होती दक्ष प्रवीण सर्व विषयी.
By his grace, those who are the lowest of the lowly, who are foolish and having bad qualities, are transformed and become very sharp and alert in all subjects.
ऐसा जो परम समर्थ पूर्ण करी मनोरथ सप्रचित भजन स्वार्थ कल्लव चंडी विनायकौ.
Such is Lord Ganesh, who fulfills all your aspirations, and the hymns sung in his prayer give us the actual experience of reality. In this Kali Yuga, Goddess Chandi and God Vinayaka is Ganesh, are the gods who are active in giving blessings to the devotees.
ऐसा गणेश मंगळ मूर्ती तोम्यास्तविला येथामती वांछा धरुनी चित्ती परमार्थाची.
This God Ganesh, who is the goodness incarnate, I have praised according to my understanding, having a desire to have the spiritual fulfillment of my life.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे गणेश स्तवन नाम समास दुसरा श्रीराम.
Thus, in the first dashak of Dasbodh, in the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this second chapter, by name Hymn in Praise of Lord Ganesh, is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.